Hi, it's Chris. Today I'm going to show you how to install a new capacitor in your Whirlpool built washer. Fairly easy repair, and we'll take you through it step by step. In today's repair, you're going to want to remove the power supply from the washer, as you're going to be working with some electrical components. To do so, you're just going to remove the plug from the wall, and as well turn off your water supply and remove your hoses. You may also want to take your drain hose and pull it out of your standpipe, because we're going to be moving the machine around and laying it down for some of the repair. In order to change the capacitor, first thing we want to do is just lay the machine on its back so that we can access all the components below. Our first step is going to be to remove the belt cover, and just with the 5/16 nut driver, we're going to loosen those screws and remove them. There's one here and one down here. And with that loose, we can remove the belt cover. And just set it to one side. Now with the belt cover removed, we're simply going to grasp the capacitor and give it a turn. Counterclockwise turn and pull straight out. Just like that. And your capacitor is free and clear. Now we just want to remove the electrical harness just by pushing down on this tab with our thumb, and just give our wires a wiggle, and the electrical harness is removed, and we can discard our old capacitor. To install our new capacitor, first thing we're going to do is install our electrical harness, simply by pushing it into place and making sure that that locking tab has made its connection. To install it, we're going to basically be installing this cross piece into the square hole of the gearbox. We just line it up and rotate it clockwise. Now that the capacitor is locked into place, we just need to put our belt guard back on. Install our 2 screws. With the belt cover back on, we're now ready to stand up our machine. And now that you have the part installed, it's time to hook the machine back up to your water and electrical. Take your cord and plug it back into your wall. Connect your hot and cold water hoses, as well as making sure your drain hose is connected in the back and that the end of it is down in the standpipe and secured. And your repair is complete.